Metro Park proudly present the Bird Show. Introducing your host for today, Mr. J.
Mabuhay, good afternoon everyone. Hi! Did you see our group of pigeons? So did you know that pigeons were used as messengers to carry out messages to our friends, families, and loved ones? Now ladies and gentlemen, please relax and enjoy as our fine-fitted friends are going to show us their amazing tricks, awesome stunts, guest participation, and important environmental message. Now, the question is, are you ready to be amazed with our fine-fitted friends? Alright, to start with, let me call my partner here on stage, Miss Debbie, to welcome our blue and gold mako named Amigo.
Kalingkuran na yun, ay.
Where are you, Amigo? There you are. Now, Amigo originates from South America and he inhabits in the rainforest of Brazil. He is a very responsible bird and he loves to see his environment clean. Now, we have here sample trusses and Amigo is going to show us how to clean this mess. Okay, ready? Alright, so first, you pick up the can, walks all the way, open the bin and drop it inside. What next one, buddy? You pick up the crumpled paper, then drop it inside. And what last one, buddy? You pick up the plastic cup, he walks all the way, open the bin and drop it inside. See, if the bird can do it, why can't we? Right? Always remember to put your trash in the trash bins. As the saying goes, cleanliness is next to godliness. Now Amigo together with his fine-fitted friends have something to tell us. What do you want to say, buddy? Welcome to Cebu Safari's Bird Show. Now, ladies and gentlemen, from the jungle of South America, here comes our flying macaws. So we have a total of 6 blue and gold macaws named Harry, Hardy, Tony, Matt, Kyle, and Carl. So macaws are adaptive, meaning when they surrounded by many people, they will accept many people. And for their diets, they'll have to eat varieties of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. And there are more than 400 parrot species globally, and blue and gold macaws rank as third largest parrot, following hyacinth and the green-winged macaws. Alright guys, do you want to stay with me here? Or you want to go inside and get more food now? I think you'll have to stay with me. Still, a round of applause for our flying macaws. Now for the next bird, he is very special, intelligent, and a handsome bird. But I need your help to call his name. Can you say Jumbo? Louder everyone, say Jumbo! There, everybody. So here's our green-winged macaw named Jumbo. Nobody, can you wave to the crowd? Hi. Now everyone, can you wave back to Jumbo and say hello? Hi. So macaws have very long tail and feathers that it can reach up to 3 feet from its head down to its tail, with a tail that can grow up to 2 feet. Now Jumbo is going to show us his beautiful tail. Can you turn, everybody? Good bird. How about last one? Good bird. So as you can see, most of their color is outside of their body and less color is under their wings. Now I'm going to show you his beautiful wings. But first, can you say wings? Last one everyone, say wings! Alright. So macaws feet are zygidapsinous, meaning they have 2 toes that points forward and 2 toes that points backward. They also use their feet to hold on things and climb. Now Miss Debbie here is a groundnut. She will place it into the plastic basket and let's see how Jumbo gets his reward. So look everyone, he carefully moved the plastic basket and get his reward. Now we're using reward system to recompense the intelligence and effort of our bird. And as what I have mentioned earlier, the Jumbo is very special and intelligent bird. Do you wanna know why? Well, that's because Jumbo loved to go to school, to the bird school. So we have prepared 2 sets of tests for Jumbo. So we will be having the spelling test first. We have here 5 animal pictures: the tiger, the zebra, the horse, the snake, and the camel. I want you to choose one animal picture. What would you choose? Louder, everyone. Alright, I think we hear some camel, so let's have camel with Miss Jada. Well, Mr. Irvin is preparing for the jumbo letters, so let's have a short interview with Miss Debbie about jumbo. Hi, Miss Debbie, how are you today?
I'm fine.
That's good to hear, Miss Debbie. Now, Miss Debbie, for the first question, where did jumbo originally came from?
South America.
South America, but I guess we stay here in the Philippines, right?
Yes.
Alright, I think we're all set and ready. Take a good look to the picture. What is the spelling of camel? Oops, you made a shortcut. You pick up the letter M. That's the wrong one, buddy. Can you pick up the letter A? You're jumbling the letters, buddy. You pick up the letter C for the first letter. Alright. And you pick up the letter E. Alright, how about that last one, buddy? And you pick up the letter L. So camel spells C-A-M-E-L. Is it correct? Alright, now it seems to be too easy for Jumbo. So let's make it more difficult. So we will be having the mathematical test in addition form. Now everyone, can you give me 2 numbers between 1 to 10? Hand sign about this side, hand sign. Alright, there's a 5 about this side, higher than 5. Higher than 5, alright, let's have some 10. 5 plus 10. Okay, Jumbo buddy, what is 5 plus 10? I know answer, so don't worry. So we'll ask another question with Miss Debbie about Jumbo. Now, Miss Debbie, I'm curious about what are Jumbo's favorite food?
Varieties of fruits, seeds, and vegetables.
So Jumbo will take varieties of fruits, seeds, and vegetables. Now, Miss Debbie, for the last question, where did Jumbo go to school?
University of Cebu Safari.
The Jumbo studies at University of Cebu Safari, everyone. Alright. What is 5 plus 10, buddy? So first, you pick up number 1. Alright, how about the last one, buddy? Is it? And you pick up number 5. So 5 plus 10 is equals to 15. Is it correct? Alright, so round of applause for Greenway Macone, Jumbo. Now at this moment, I need 2 volunteers. 1 kid and 1 adult volunteer. Just raise your hand and wait for our staff to approach you. We have here Ate Lacey. Alright.